What's going on, everybody? 46-gallon bow front, blood parrot, German blue cichlid. Just doing a quick update. Lost one of the German blues, still have one in here. It's kind of a little more of a long fin variety, but he's growing great. And his buddy, Mr. BP, the blood parrot, got a new light in here. It's actually a Aqueon T8 25 watt bulb. Nothing else. I took the driftwood out because I was having a little bit of issues with the driftwood. It was leaching too much. But they're getting along great. Unfortunately lost one of the German blues, but it is what it is. So I'm hoping to get another blood parrot that's decent size from one of my friends that's downsizing his tank. I'm going to look at seeing and getting some other maybe German blues in here, and we'll see what happens. But for now, yeah, everything's pretty peaceful. Got the AC 110 in here, filtering great, and the bubble wand. That's it. So as you can see, the blood parrot is looking great. The light in here is a Colormax variety, and it's been doing a good job showing up the color. And switch the food out to this stuff here, Hikari Cichlid BioGold Plus. These are minis. Hikari Cichlid BioGold Plus. So, as you can see, he really likes them. He can see them right here and he goes crazy. So, just doing a quick update. When I get some other stock in here, I will post back. Thanks for watching.